everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady, and on today's episode we're going to talk about 5 easy houseplants that you can grow in your home and enjoy, and that are very simple to take care of, so stay tuned. So here we have just some household palms. Again, they're very easy to care for. Make sure you check the fronds for any insects. Sometimes in the big box stores, you have to watch out for bringing things home you hadn't planned on. But the care for each palm is on the other side of your tag. Make sure you look for the different growing needs and different needs for each palm. But as you can see, here on this little parlor palm is a tag that tells you exactly how to grow this and what its growing needs are. Next we have succulents. Succulents are just a wonderful little plant. They don't require a lot of water. They love filtered light. It is a great indoor plant for you. The hardest thing for most people to do is to not overwater. So go ahead and look for a pretty succulent that you enjoy, and just read the label instructions. Next we have the African violet. Oh, I love this. It can be the happiest plant on your windowsill. It doesn't like to be watered on its leaves because it leaves spots, so make sure you water just into the base of your flower pot, or if you have a little tray. Once you water it, just let it sit. Another one of my favorites that I like to bring indoors is the spider plant. I love that bright green and white stripe on the leaf. I love the little babies that it reproduces that you can share with friends or just pot in another container for yourself. But these are very simple. They do like drier soil, but again, check the tag, see what their conditions are. Typically they like a little drier soil. Most of these plants just require a little bit of fertilizer. And it's lots of plants to enjoy. And look at all those little babies. Aren't they just beautiful? Here again is your tag with information that you need to know. Any of your big box stores will have these. Here's another great plant. I know I've said that about each one, but it's true. This is called a golden pothos. They're very sturdy, very insect resilient, don't require a lot of love. And look, there's the tag with all the information that you need. I love ivies. I love the newer varieties of ivies, the variegated ivies, the darker ivies. And here's several names, a Francis ivy or a millennial ivy or millennium ivy. But look at those. Again, a very resilient plant, great to grow indoors and easy to care for. Read your labels, read your tags. As per the rest of them, most plants require water, then dry, then water. And finally, our peace lilies, or our Spathiphyllum, great household plant, doesn't need a lot of light, just loves moisture. It is a great household plant for you to have and to enjoy. Remember, start small and learn as you go, and enjoy gardening. It's a great way to go green. Okay, so I added one to our 5 household plants that are easy to care for because there was just so many to choose from, but I wanted to just keep it simple for you. In my opening, I was standing in front of those beautiful camellias, so I couldn't hardly change that. But anyway, this is Gretchen the Green Lady, and I know that you will love these household plants, and I know that they're simple to care for, and I hope that you will go green. Was so beautiful. I had this beautiful, huge, grown line of those flowering camellias. Let's try it again. Cute for little babies. So this has been Gretchen the Green Lady, hoping that you will go green. What did that look like? I'm spastic.